If you want to grow on YouTube, you need not to be limited by anything. I know most people actually overthink starting a YouTube channel because you probably think you need the biggest equipment, the high-end equipment to start a YouTube channel. But in this video, I'm gonna be telling you how you can actually grow your YouTube channel without any equipment. Hi guys, what's up, what's going on? I hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode. In case you're new here, my name is Ann Kiki. Please make sure you subscribe. So most people are actually limited from starting a YouTube channel because you're waiting for that day that you will have all the equipments that are needed. But the reality is you don't need all those to start a YouTube channel. It's so easy. You just don't need to complicate it, and you can make so much money on YouTube. Myself, I don't use any equipment on YouTube, and I have made so much money so far. I have always showed you guys my analytics, the amount of money I make on YouTube, and you can go and check those videos out. Yet I don't have all those fancy equipment that people usually buy. First things first, if you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't want to buy those fancy gears, then you can start by focusing on content or niches that do not require fancy gears. So there are so many niches on YouTube that you can do that don't require gears. For example, you can do storytelling, reaction videos, how-to tutorials. Any sit-down video will not require you to have all those YouTube gears unless you're doing a podcast or interviewing other people. But sit-down videos do not require so much gear. You just need to choose a niche that is not going to strain you much, because there are so many niches that are available on YouTube, and you don't need to limit yourself. Explore on all the niches that are available and choose the one that you're comfortable with, the one that is not going to strain you. And then use what you already have. Don't wait for you to have everything. For you to have a good YouTube channel, you only need 3 things. That is a good camera, audio, and lighting. And for this, you need to use what you already have. When it comes to a camera, you can use your phone camera. Already you have a good smartphone. Start by filming with it. When it comes to audio, definitely if you have a good smartphone, then your audio is obviously going to be clear. Just avoid a noisy background. Go to a silent place and use that audio for your phone. And then lighting, now you can use natural lighting. When I was starting on YouTube, I used to use natural lighting, and I feel like those videos were usually brighter than right now when I'm using ring lights. So you just need to sit next to a window, like opposite a window iko huku na we uko huku. That lighting is usually enough for you to start, and I feel like natural lighting cannot be beaten by any other lighting, by the way, because if you go and look at my first videos, you guys, you will see that I used to have enough lighting, and it's only that I moved to a house that now doesn't have lighting, so I had to buy a ring light. But I feel like natural lighting is just the best. If you're in a place that you can access natural lighting, then you can use that without any worries. And then step 3 is to edit your videos, and you don't need high-end softwares to edit your videos. Just for the beginning, make sure you use editing softwares or apps that don't require you to pay anything. If you go for those expensive apps, they will definitely tell you to subscribe, to pay. So there are so many editing softwares and apps that are free to use. You just need to practice using them. I'm gonna just tell you guys, up to today, I still use free editing softwares because I'm trying to minimize on cost. You're not getting paid millions on YouTube, so especially if you're beginning, you've not even monetized your channel, you don't need to pay for editing softwares. You just need to use the free the free softwares that are there, and they actually perform the same thing. I feel like those people who earn through editing, maybe that's their job, are the ones who need to pay for those editing softwares and apps. But if you're doing YouTube and you're beginning, you're not getting paid, don't go for apps that are requiring you to pay. So once you're done with that, you need to optimize your videos for you to be visible, for you to be seen by other people. And how you do that is using the titles that are most searchable and thumbnails that look neat, thumbnails that are easy to catch people's attention. Don't overcrowd your thumbnails. And also when it comes to your title, make sure your title has the most important keywords. So if you want to be visible, use keywords in your titles. Use words that people are searching for. Don't start with titles that nobody will search, because you're going to actually overshadow or shadow ban your YouTube channel. So start with titles that are search engine optimized. That is, titles that when someone searches, they find it so easily. And with that, you're going to start off well. Maybe after you've gained popularity, now you can start putting on any titles out there. But as a beginner, you need to start with titles that people are searching for. You can even go to YouTube and search one of the suggestions, search things related to your niche. Look at the suggestions that YouTube is going to give you. That's what you should start with. And then the most important thing now is to engage your audience. So anytime your audience likes your video, anytime they comment on your video, make sure you engage them. Don't leave your audience talking to themselves, and also prompt them to engage you. Like, you can always tell your audience to comment down what their views are, tell them to like your videos, tell them to share your videos, but of course don't be too much. If you have to tell your audience to subscribe to your channel, tell them once. Don't make the whole video about subscribing or liking your video, you know. Yeah, you just prompt them maybe once or twice to comment, to chat with you, to like, to share your video, you know. Yeah, if you keep engaging your audience like that, then you're going to grow, because as more people like your videos, YouTube is going to check that as an engagement. And also when people comment on your video, yeah, and also you need to engage with other creators, because when you comment on other people's videos, you're also increasing your visibility, because other people are seeing you and they will want to check what you usually do. So engaging other creators is also going to help you to be discovered, and YouTube also notices that you're present, you're online, you're ever engaging other people, and so it's going to make your videos be visible and your channel is going to be pushed. So the sixth most important thing is consistency. Now, even if you try to follow all what I've said and you're not consistent, you're not going to grow. When we talk about consistency, we mean that every time be present. If you start a YouTube channel today and you start posting one video every week, make sure every week you try to get time and post a video. Don't get lost. If you get lost, YouTube is going to forget you. Your followers or subscribers are also going to forget you. So this is what messes most people up on YouTube. That is consistency. I'm not going to say I'm also in a better position, because I know it also messes me up. Yeah, so you need to be consistent. Usikuje YouTube and then you get lost. If you get lost for a month or 2 months, then be sure you will come back and have to start all over again. So always try. Make YouTube like your full-time job. Always have time for it. Always come back and post something. Don't get lost for a very long time, because people are going to forget about you. So those are the tips that I would give. Those are the things I usually follow, and it has helped me make money on YouTube. I feel like there are so many other ways. That's just a few of my tips, and you guys can also engage us in the comment section. Tell us what you're doing to make sure that you're growing, to make sure that you don't get forgotten here. Yeah, if you're a small creator, don't give up. We still push, and one day it's going to pay off. I always say it's going to pay off. I don't know when, but I know that one day it's going to pay off, guys. Thanks for watching up to the end. I hope you've liked this video. Please don't forget to give me a like. I've given you the tips, and if it helps you, come back and thank me, okay? Thanks for watching up to the end, guys. I hope you've subscribed if you've not yet met me before. and I'm going to see you in the next video. So stay safe and I'll see you there. Bye.